Where are you going with that? Oh, what are we doing?
Take a picture. Take a picture.
I'm videoing. Tell them what we're doing.
We're making laundry.
Say it's laundry day.
It's laundry day.
Casey's got his basket. Let Mama get her laundry. Okay, let's go to the washer.
Yep, to the
Okay. Got it? Are you videoing Mama? So one of the things that I wanted to show you guys that we are doing is this wonderful book called Before 5 in a Row. Actually, one of my friends introduced this to me and I am loving it so far. What we've highlighted right here is what we have done. Let me get the camera to focus. And we've done My Blue Boat, Blueberries for Sal, Goodnight Moon, and we're going on a bear hunt. And this week we're doing Jessie Bear, What Will You Wear? Which I've never read before, and I like this book because it's actually introducing me to a lot of books that I have never even heard of, and some of them are out of print, so we either buy them. All of the books, thankfully, so far, we've been able to get from the library, so that's pretty awesome. So this week it's Jessie Bear, What Will You Wear? And if you know anything about 5 in a Row, you're just reading the book with your child, and you can choose from one of the activities that it has for the week, or you can go to the front of the book and it has lots of different things that you can do with your kid. I really love it because it's super gentle. It's just introducing your child to different themes, books, words, hopefully giving them a lot of wonder and just recognizing things around them, and pave the way for learning readiness. So it's definitely not a preschool curriculum, but it does start introducing them to colors and shapes depending on what week you're on and what book. This week is we're actually making a cardboard bear, so I'm gonna, I cut this out, I'm not quite done. I'm gonna glue it to the inside of this and cut it out, and then we have these different swatches of fabric that he can pick out and make a shirt and pants for him. So it's not fancy, it's not supposed to be very strategic or strict. You're just kind of opening up a world for your child, and that's the point of it.
You gotta take it to your room.
Take.
That goes in Kane's room. you.